In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Workload View in Monday.com fast and easily. If you're looking to maximize your team's efficiency and ensure a balanced distribution of tasks, mastering Monday.com's Workload View can be a significant advantage for your project management arsenal. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set it up effortlessly. First off, you'll want to navigate to your board on Monday.com and click on the plus Add View button located at the top of your screen. From the list of options, you should select Workload. This step is crucial because the Workload View provides a visual representation of who is working on what, and more importantly, who might be overloaded or underutilized. Once you've set up the Workload View, the next step is to ensure tasks are assigned to the right team members. This is done through the People column in your board. Simply assign tasks by clicking on the cell under the People column and selecting the team member responsible for each task. This ensures that everyone has clarity on their responsibilities and helps in tracking who's working on what. In order to make full use of the Workload View, it's essential to define the durations of tasks. This can be easily done using a date or timeline column. If you haven't done it already, add these columns to your board and input the start and end dates for each task. This will provide an overarching view of the timeline for different tasks and allow you to predict workloads accurately. The beauty of the Workload View is in its real-time visual representation. It automatically calculates and displays who is overworked and who has the capacity for more tasks. You'll see this information appear as bars and color-coded indicators showing the workload of each person. A green bar usually indicates a healthy workload, while red or orange indicates that someone might be overloaded. This allows you to reassign tasks until you reach a more balanced workload distribution across your team. It's a simple and effective way to ensure no one is overwhelmed and that tasks are distributed according to your team's capacity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can set up and optimize the Workload View within Monday.com to enhance productivity and teamwork. It's a straightforward process that, when used effectively, can make a tangible difference in how your team operates. With the Workload View, you'll ensure that tasks are managed efficiently, deadlines are met, and most importantly, your team members are neither overworked nor underutilized. Thank you for watching. Be sure to apply these steps for better workload management in your projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.